Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm here by myself, like usual. I was in a call for a little bit. Well, I was just doing like a regular thing. We have 7 people offline. We have a lot of members already. Thank you for joining. Ignore that. It was someone. You can read that. Thanks for actually Cookie. Cookie changed her profile picture to this. I told her to change it to that. It's very cute. And then we have Nightmare Curry Head Maya, which I invited her. Maud. I trust my mom with Maud because she's nice. I trust Taco Cat with Maud. Cookie, no. Dustin, no. Ellie, no. Who also has Maud? Sophie has Maud, and then. Oh, I trust her with Maud. Why did I not get her Maud? Corvette. Dang, I didn't invite them in here. I forgot to invite Waffle. Oh, laggy. Stop lagging. I forgot to invite Waffle. It was just me, and I always forget to invite people that are in my server. I don't here. Waffle online? Oh, Waffle's off. Oops. Editing YouTube team. It's like a new team that I actually started. I should start. So I told my friend Cameron. So I told her this is the profile picture I found, and she changed it. I don't even know. Justin's anime boy. I thought he didn't like anime. They probably found that on something else. Nightmare Mood is Taco Cat's. Yeah, my mom, my online mom. She's also in Coco Army. Did she actually? Could she stop spamming it? Did he spam my other groups? No, he's not in my other groups. Yeah, he's only in this one, which he's like, copy. Oh, okay. That's a long ass window. I'm just chatting random. This is general. I'm gonna change it to like welcome. Excuse me. Can you not? Okay, I'll copy whatever. Announcements. I'm gonna put announcements. Announcements. How do you spell? I'm now announcements. I wanted to question the day twice today, but that'll be bad. I'll get merged by Ainsley. No, before we do that, let's put everyone. I'm gonna like put everyone. Okay, you're allowed to put everything. Oh, this is not private channel. Oh shit. Oop 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 oop. Detectors. Worker signal. You're an ass. I can't even do it. Okay, I have to delete that. Hey, announcements. Jesus, I forgot to make this a private channel. Oops. But nope. Okay, workers. Manager. Mod. Oh no, we don't workers in here. Only mod. Only mod. If you have mod in the server, you're fine. Manager and mod. Who's mod? Okay. Taco Cat's mod too. We have 4 mods. It's crazy. When you work day. And only mods can have this. Okay, someone posted this in the freaking server. Stop it. Deleting that. Okay, so it's just random. Chatting. Ugh. I just had to copy and paste that. That's for the mod. This is the mod. So we have Taco Cat mod. We have Softy's a mod. Curly Head Maya's a mod. Mother Joker's a mod. And by the way, my Mother Joker's off. We have all these other people, but half of these are offline. If Waffle joins, I'll give her mod straight away. I like giving people mod. They're also in the protectors. Half of these are workers. I'll make a lot of rules soon, but right now we're just going like meeting. Chatting. No, texting. Chatting. Mod meeting. Yeah, for mod. Don't I have mod? I don't know. Do I have mod? Oh, I have mod. What's on? Oh shit. Mod meeting. No, swimming enough. Mod chat. Who's mod meeting? Is this private too? Who is this? Oh, workers. This is mod chat. Mod. If you're a mod, chat here. So this is like an update on the server. If you're a mod, chat here. I am a mod. I accidentally made myself. So we have like one mod that's actually offline, but whatever. If you're a mod, chat here. This is just announcements. So this is what I found. I just had to copy and paste. That's very long, but yeah, it's just like I'm manager and mod and editing YouTube team. We'll get more people in here, but half these people are offline. I don't trust half these people with mod, but like I don't trust Cookie. I don't wait. Should I trust Ellie? I'll trust Ellie because Ellie's like a friend. She'll let it do. She's a friend. But, oh wait, she's kind of always offline. I don't trust a lot of people with mod. I'll give like a one. This is it. This is editing. See, we're just doing stuff. This is mod chat. We have a mod. What the hell is that for? If you're mod chat here. So this is for mods only. We have a mod meeting too, just in case. For updates and wait, I can't give you all you guys workers. Wait, you guys are not you guys are not all my workers. Oops. You guys are not all my workers. Okay, who is the real workers? I have workers, mod, admin. Oh, admin. Oh, I mod and admin. I don't have admin yet. That's weird. I thought I had it. Why do I have this one? What is this? What the hell is this? Delete. Who is this? Admin. Or what is color? I also have an admin too, so don't actually change it. So we have admins. Okay, fair enough. That, oops, don't do that, please. Admin chat. Chat, bro. Tell me again. Stop it. Admin call. So we have admin call mod meeting. We have a lot of things. We have two private chats, mod and admin chat. In case you don't want to do mod. That's the bathroom. So I'm gonna